In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Replace tool in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to quickly locate text, layer names, or character strings across your file, and replace them confidently without missing anything important. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the canvas and layers you'll be working with. The Find and Replace tool sits right inside the interface, and the fastest way to open it is with a shortcut. On a Mac, press Command+F. On Windows, press Ctrl+F. You'll see a search bar appear at the top of the app. This is your hub for scanning through content in your file. Type what you want to locate in the search bar. You can search for words in text layers, the names of layers, or any character string you suspect appears throughout your design. As you type, Figma highlights matches and lists them so you can jump to each occurrence. This is especially helpful for checking consistency in copy, catching outdated layer names, or reviewing repeated UI terms. If your results feel too broad, narrow them down using filters. In the search bar, you can filter by text, layers, or components, focusing the results on what matters most. For example, filter to text if you are updating on-screen copy, or to layers if you are standardizing layer naming conventions. This keeps the list clean and makes it easier to confirm each match. When you are ready to replace what you've found, switch the search bar into Replace mode. Click the small settings icon that looks like 3 lines in the search bar and choose Replace. A Replace with field appears. Type the new text you want Figma to use in place of your original search term. Double-check spelling and capitalization here to avoid introducing new inconsistencies. Now decide how you want to apply the change. Click Replace to update the current selection one by one, reviewing each change as you go. This is ideal when precision matters and you want to verify context. If you are confident that every instance should change, click Replace All to update all matches in the document at once. This is perfect for global updates like product names, button labels, or standardized terminology. A few final tips as you work: filter first to reduce errors. Preview a few matches before replacing everything, and keep an eye on your layers panel to confirm changes landed where you expected. With these steps, you can clean up copy, rename items in bulk, and keep your design system consistent in just a few clicks. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.